Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off two-step verification on Roblox. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Roblox application. Here it is. Actually, it doesn't matter what device to have, it can be Android or iOS device, so the steps are the same. So the second thing you need to do is to click on the More button at the bottom right corner. Here it is. Then in this interface you need to scroll down and find Settings button right up here. Then you will see this list of options. You need to click on the second option, Security. Here it is. After downloading, you will see this interface. As you can see, in my situation, there is an email two-step verification enabled. So in your situation it can be authenticator application or maybe hardware security keys enabled. So all you need to do is to click on the blue dot to disable this option right up here, then click on the confirm button. After that you will see this interface, and then you will receive a message on your email with a 6-digit code. So all you need to do is to enter this code in this text box right up here, and then you need to click on the verify button. After that, as you can see, two-step verification is disabled. So, and that's all, and that's how to turn off two-step verification on Roblox. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.